Nothing ruins a perfect car wash faster than stubborn hard water spots that refuse to disappear. It looks like permanent damage to your clear coat, but with the right chemistry, those mineral deposits don't stand a chance. Welcome back to Top Home Finds. Today, we are breaking down the 5 most effective products on the market designed to dissolve hard water stains and restore your vehicle's showroom finish. Before we reveal our top picks, please take a moment to like this video and let us know in the comments which detailing project you're working on. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel to support our work and stay updated on the best finds for your home and garage. Let's get started! First up is the Meguiar's Water Spot Remover. Here are some of the advantages of Meguiar's Water Spot Remover. Multi-surface versatility. This specialized formula is engineered to effectively remove stubborn water spots from a wide range of exterior surfaces. Clear coat safe and non-abrasive. Developed with professional-grade technology, the product is designed to dissolve mineral deposits safely without the need for harsh abrasives. Restorative surface clarity. Beyond simple cleaning, this remover works to restore the optical clarity of the surface. Flexible application methods. The formula is designed for maximum convenience, allowing for successful. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover. Here are some of the advantages of Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover. Professional-grade surface correction. This formula is specifically engineered to eliminate light scratches, swirl marks, and paint contamination. Universal paint and color compatibility. Designed with versatility in mind, the product is safe for use on all glossy paint finishes and clear coats. User-friendly application kit. Each bottle comes as a complete kit, including a specialized foam buffer pad, allowing for immediate use. Genuine correction without fillers. Unlike many consumer products that rely on waxes or silicones to temporarily hide imperfections, this remover features a true corrective formula. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Shine Armor Car Scratch Remover. Here are some of the advantages of Shine Armor Car Scratch Remover. Advanced paint correction formula. This product is engineered to effectively eliminate surface imperfections. Universal color and clear coat safety. The formula is designed to be safe and effective on all glossy paint finishes, including modern clear coats. High gloss finish and restoration. Beyond simple scratch repair, the compound acts as a fine polish that enhances the depth and clarity of the vehicle's finish. Efficient hand or machine application. Developed for maximum user convenience, this remover can be applied successfully by hand with a microfiber cloth. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Bugs and All Interior and Exterior Vehicle Cleaner. Here are some of the advantages of Bugs and All Interior and Exterior Vehicle Cleaner. High-efficiency organic contaminant removal. This cleaner is specifically engineered to dissolve stubborn organic matter. Comprehensive multi-surface safety. Formulated for maximum versatility, the product is safe for nearly every interior and exterior surface. Eco-friendly and non-toxic composition. The formula is biodegradable, non-toxic, and free from harsh chemicals or petroleum distillates. Acid neutralization and paint protection. Beyond surface cleaning, the formula effectively neutralizes the harmful acids found in organic contaminants. Check the description for more details on this product. And fifth, we have the Wet or Waterless Car Wash Wax Kit. Here are some of the advantages of the Wet or Waterless Car Wash Wax Kit. Dual application versatility. This specialized formula offers the unique flexibility of being used as either a completely waterless wash or as a wax-as-you-dry solution after a traditional hose wash. Aviation-grade safety standards. Originally developed for the aerospace industry to meet rigorous Boeing and Airbus specifications. Advanced UV and anti-static protection. The kit leaves behind a protective, non-stick UV coating that shields the paint from oxidation and sun-induced fading. streak-free multi-surface compatibility. Engineered to be a comprehensive detailing tool, the formula is safe for use on all exterior and interior surfaces. Check the description for more details on this product. That concludes our list of the top 5 products to eliminate hard water spots and restore your vehicle's showroom shine. Thank you so much for watching this video on Top Home Finds. If you found these recommendations helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss our latest guides. We'll see you in the next one.